done with the tummy tuck surgery, and are you planning to conceive once again, or did you already conceive with one pregnancy? Then do you have to worry? Hi, I'm Dr. Deepthi, consultant plastic surgeon, Eternal Aesthetics. Let me break down today what are the odds of becoming pregnant after a tummy tuck surgery. In a total tummy tuck, it's just not the skin or the fat that we remove from your belly. It's the abdominal muscles that we tighten with a good strong technique so that there is no laxity of the abdominal muscles after the surgery. You must have observed that the core strength improves greatly after the tummy tuck surgery. This is mainly because tightening of the abdominal wall or abdominal muscles which we do during the surgery. So if the abdominal wall or muscles are tightened so properly in the surgery, can you have a pregnancy or again a stretching of the abdominal wall with a pregnancy? Many people have this doubt that once they get a tummy tuck surgery, if even by chance they fall pregnant and they wish to continue, can they continue? Let me tell you how this works out. At least for the first 3 months, your abdominal wall is still repairing itself because we have done a tightening procedure there. The muscles are trying to fall in place and regain their strength because of the surgical procedure that we have done. So it is very ideal, or it is very much recommended not to fall pregnant in the first 3 months post surgery. In our clinical setup, we have a very strict rule to use contraceptives during this time. Actually, 1 month pre-surgery also. In case for the first 6 months to 8 months, your abdominal wall is still repairing at a very slower pace and still contracting, but not as aggressively as in the first 3 months. In this stage, even if you fall pregnant, you won't have an enlargement of your belly for the next 6 months. So because the first 6 months is still a smaller belly. So that's okay still if you fall pregnant accidentally. Still, we advise not to fall pregnant by choice during this time. It's ideal to wait for the first 1 year at the least before you plan a pregnancy consciously. In case you have conceived accidentally and planning to continue the pregnancy, don't worry, because as I have told you, your belly will not enlarge at least for the first 5 to 6 months. So you are still in the good and safe period only. Post 1 year, your muscles have repaired pretty well, and it's again like your pre-pregnancy tummy. So you can fall pregnant in case you want to, but the key here is you're again losing the lovely result that you have gained through your tummy tuck surgery. So the tightening procedure and the strengthening of the core muscles that we have done in the surgery will again become lax as they are stretching during the pregnancy, and you might have to go for a redo surgery. That's the only flaw here. Usually post 1 year, falling pregnant will not hamper your health or the baby's health. Absolutely don't worry about this. The only flaw here is that you might have to do a redo surgery. Even before 1 year, there is no situation where you or the baby's health will be hampered because of falling pregnant. But the thing is, your belly might be a little too weak, or there could be pains here and there as the belly is stretching during the healing period. But otherwise, as such, there's no big complication that you're going to land up by just falling pregnant post the tummy tuck surgery. So don't worry about it. Only that you have to prepare yourself mentally to probably go for a redo surgery. If you have any further doubts about falling pregnant after the tummy tuck, please leave a comment in the comment section and I will reply to it. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like the video and share it to everybody who's on similar terms or lines. And please subscribe to Eternal Aesthetics channel.